Good morning. This is Sean. It's Friday, September 12th. I'm out here bringing the last of the cornishcross meat birds out to the farm. Finally happy to get them out of the brooder. They were definitely too large, or filling the space too fully. So today we're gonna unload them in our other meat tractor, or our other chicken tractor, and get them in there. The 70 odd birds I brought over last night with my daughter. She's not a fan of being on camera, so I thought that I would just do the video by myself the next morning with the last 33, I think. So we'll just get them unloaded real quick and then we'll button up. I thought I'd bring you along for the fun. Hi kids. It's their first time on grass, so it's a slightly new experience for them. They're used to being on wood chips in the brooder. So it's definitely new. But they usually pick it up pretty quick and decide that they like it. And I'll get them some food here in a moment. There's already water in there. Well, hello, little buddy. Oh, calm down, calm down. With the layers, I like to hold them underneath their feet. But with the meat birds, the cornishcross, they, if you do that, they're more apt to poop on you. And I'm trying to avoid as much of that as I can. Just for ease of cleanup afterwards. Okay, guy, okay. Well, good morning, Larry. Oh. Turns into a little bit of a job doing them all by yourself. You're okay. You're okay. Yep, you're okay. Some of them are chunking up pretty good. You're all right. You're all right. You're okay. Some of them are real gentle and just let you pick them up. Some of them don't really want anything to do with it. You're all right. You're all right. Oh. And some of them will just flat out scream at you. Oh. Get some water. I'm sure the drive was a little bit of a stressful moment. Come here, rooster. sisters and cousins. Probably some brothers in there too. Oh. Yeah, you decided to poop before I moved you. But that's okay. Come here. I'm here. Yep, you're the last one. Now it's time to give you some food. There's over 100 of them, so they will destroy this amount of food in short order. They ate, well, they're already over 75 pounds this week alone in what they've eaten already. So they put it away quickly. I know last batch of meat birds we did in the spring, there ended up being 33 of them, and I think they ate 16 bags over the course of 8.5 weeks. So I'm worried how many we're going to go through here. Anyways, that's the chore of bringing them from brooder to the outdoor pen. And then I'll bring you along for chores again, maybe next week one day, when I'll actually have to move a few cinder blocks, and then I'll push the tractor up one length and then give them all new water and food and let you see how that goes. Usually pretty easy. Have a great day.